And I'm here at Sunda Restaurant in Sunda New Asian Restaurant here in Chicago. I'm here with my friend Choon Lai, and he's going to talk about the restaurant and himself. Please introduce yourself.
Hello, thank you so much for joining us. My name is Choon Lai. I am the Director of Training and Culture for Sunda New Asia. Right now we're at the Sunda Chicago River North location. It's been open for 15 years plus now. Right here in front of you we have a couple of our signature dishes. Sunda New Asian concept encompass flavors from all over Southeast Asia, including Japan with all the varieties of sushi, China, and some Korean dishes as well. Right here we have our signature crispy rice. We have two varieties here with the spicy tuna with the serrano pepper, along with our wagyu beef and Asian pesto. We have two signature cocktails here. This is our paired sake, also been in our menu since day one. This is made with Grey Goose pear, with pineapple ginger syrup, along with the cinnamon sugar ring. Right here it's our strawberry field. This is made with Grey Goose essence, strawberry and lemongrass. Lots of citrus on this one, lemon juice, lime, and orange. Great as a summer cocktail.
Thank you so much for giving us the background on the food and also on the drinks. Later on we will walk around and we'll show you how beautiful this place is in Chicago. Let's enjoy the drinks first and then we'll move on and we'll show you the restaurant.
This is our bao buns. We have two varieties here. We have a Korean fried chicken bao buns with cabbage slaw, along with a Filipino adobo pork belly that is braised with soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, caramelized onion in there as well, and it's served with pickled cucumbers and carrots.
This looks delicious. I'm here with my friend Edita, and Edita introduced me to my friend Choon. Choon is Director of Training and Culture, and he's also introducing us to his restaurant here, and we are going to taste the food and let you know how it tastes. Well, Edita, do you want to say a few words?
I just want to welcome you to Sunda, one of the finest restaurants in Chicago. It's a must to visit this place. The ambience is great and the food is excellent.
It is. It's a beautiful place, and I'm so grateful to Edita for introducing me to Choon. This is so good.
This is the best. Is this wagyu beef?
Yes.
Try it. It's excellent. Look at the presentation. It's gonna go in my mouth. It's gonna be a big bite, so sorry.
Yeah. It's okay. It could be good for.
I love it. It's delicious. Going into my mouth.
So this is our crispy Brussels sprout salad. It's probably the most popular item in our menu. It's a Vietnamese inspired dish. We use the dressing called Nuoc Cham. We turn it kind of like a vinaigrette. Okay. So this is our sushi bar. It's like a U shape. It wraps around the back side of the main dining room. So over here is called the communal style table. That's slightly higher than a normal dining table. Great for larger groups. Also kind of in between of the main dining room and the sushi bar. And then we have the sake table along with our banquet seating for like the two tops, great for date nights. And then we have round table that can turn into, a square table that can turn to a round table that can seat up to six, party of six.
And so can you tell us how many different sushis do you have on your menu?
Oh, we have so many. Every year we have two menu change, and we try to switch out and bring up new flavors. Right now in the menu we have about 18 type of sushi rolls. We can do traditional rolls or most of our signature sushi rolls.
It was delicious. Whatever we tasted today, what was it?
Thank you. So glad you enjoyed. Actually, you have two different varieties. You have the crispy rice along with the spicy tuna and the wagyu beef crispy rice.
It was delicious. Out of this world. Thank you.
Glad you enjoyed.
Thank you. And what else can you tell us about? Do you have private rooms here?
The private room, yes, it'll be upstairs. We have two private rooms, or we can turn it into one large room as well.
Oh, this is two-story building.
We have three-story. We have the basement level. It's mostly just for employee, also guest restrooms. Upstairs, so this is the main dining room, and then upstairs is our fully private dining room.
How many square foot is this area?
I am not quite sure. But a private dining room can seat up to 150 people seated upstairs.
150?
Yes, 150.
150 upstairs. How many downstairs?
Down here, I think it's a little less than 200.
200.
All of them seated.
It is huge. It's a big place. Thank you.
You're
What
welcome.
else can you tell me? Are you expanding? Where else are you opening your restaurants?
So
What-
this is
what
our
other
flagship
locations?
location. Yeah, has been open about 15 years now. Our
This
second
is the
location.
first one? This
yes,
is the
it is the
flagship?
first one. Yep.
Yeah.
And then the second one is in Nashville. It's open for 5 years. We have an upcoming in Tampa, Florida, which is our third location, and our fourth one will be the second one here in Chicago in the Fulton Market area.
The same place that I got lost, so I went. That's
That
the
is
place
correct,
you're
yes.
opening. When
It's
are
on
you,
the other side
When are
of-
you opening that one?
That one will be probably in late fall this year.
Late fall. It's a beautiful place too. Well, thank you so much. Thank you
Yes,
for
my
your
pleasure.
hospitality.
Thank you so much for joining.
It's such a pleasure to get to know you, and I love the place.
Thank you. Glad you enjoyed.
I hope you will open it in Los Angeles too.
One day,
One day.
be there.
Looking forward to that.
Thank you. Glad you
Bye-bye.
enjoyed.
Bye-bye.
Sunda is a superb restaurant located in the River North neighborhood of Chicago. It exudes a stunning ambience and boasts a remarkable array of exceptional food and drinks. At Sunda, the talented chefs are known for their ability to craft innovative culinary creations infused with modern Asian twist. Each dish on the menu showcases a contemporary take on traditional Asian cuisine. In addition to the delectable food, guests at Sunda can delight on an extensive beverage program. The restaurant offers an impressive selection of premium sake, Asian beers, and a variety of red, white, and sparkling wines. Furthermore, Sunday's beverage program features seasonally inspired cocktails, ensuring a refreshing and enticing experience for every palate. With its combination of exquisite ambience, extraordinary cuisine, and an enticing array of beverages, Sunday stands as a culinary gem in the heart of Chicago's River North District. Thank you for joining me at this extraordinary experience. I sincerely hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. If you relished this episode and would like to see more episodes like this, please show your support by hitting the like button, subscribing, and sharing it with your friends. Your continued support means the world to me. Once again, thank you for subscribing and supporting Margaret LALIK'S kitchen. I eagerly look forward to seeing you again in my next episode. Have a wonderful day, wonderful week, and wonderful life. Bye bye.